This is second episode of CHO changeover cards. Guys, let's take a look at it. On the main page of the card, we can see reference in and SDI in options 1, 2, 3. In the ref in section, we can give many references to the card as input. Also, we can give SD-SDI signals as input in SDI ins. And in this section, we can specify the input format on which changeover is to be done. For this reason, in order to change over, the formats of different inputs must be the same. In the GPIO section, we can change the changeover modes and we can see different input signals in the outputs. Inside the GPIO, we can set the polarity option to high or low to apply the trigger. We can also specify whether the trigger is through edge or through level. This is to be activated by an edge or by the voltage level. As you can see, the polarity here can be low or high. In the schematic section, the status of the keys is marked with a light and we can see it, which GPIO is now active or deactive. Thanks for watching, guys. For more information, please check out our website at www.samimgroup.com.